Just starting your Forex journey? You've probably asked, which broker should I use? Well, we tested dozens, compared their features, and ranked the 10 best Forex brokers for beginners in 2025. Stay tuned. The #1 broker on this list might change how you trade forever. Choosing the right broker isn't just about good spreads or fancy tools. It's about security, education, and user-friendliness. Starting off at number 10, HFM. This one's perfect for cautious beginners. With 0 spread accounts and no minimum deposit, you can open an account with as little as $5. It's globally regulated and has great customer support, so you can focus on trading, not troubleshooting. At number 9, we have Blackpool Markets, a broker that's all about choice. You can trade using MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, cTrader, or even TradingView. This means beginners can experiment and find the platform that suits their style. Combine that with fast execution, and you've got a smooth, professional experience from day one. Next up, at number 8, FBS. Known for its low transaction costs and tiny minimum deposit, it's perfect for those testing the waters. Plus, FBS offers educational materials and contests that make learning fun, not stressful. At number 7, Exodus. If you're the kind of trader who values stability and control, this one's for you. It's known for stop-out protection, instant withdrawals, and lightning-fast trade execution. That means even when markets move quickly, your trades execute with minimal delay. Safety, speed, and simplicity, the trifecta for beginners. Coming in at number 6, Pepperstone, a favorite among both beginners and seasoned pros. It offers tight spreads, low commissions, and access to MT4, MT5, and cTrader. But what sets it apart is transparency. You always know what you're paying and why. Their educational webinars are also top tier, making it easier to master the basics. Number 5, XTB. If you're someone who loves learning, XTB is your classroom. Their XTB Academy and in-app tutorials make complex trading ideas simple. Their platform, XStation 5, combines real-time charts with beginner-friendly insights, so you can trade smarter while learning faster. At number 4, eToro, the platform that made copy trading famous. Imagine this. You can follow professional traders, see their open positions, and copy their moves automatically. It's like learning from the pros while earning on the side. Perfect for beginners who want to start confidently without years of trial and error. In third place, Okta. Sleek design, robust charting tools, and a mobile app that's intuitive enough for complete beginners. But what really makes Okta shine is its low fees and bonus programs. You can even trade with virtual funds to practice before going live. It's like a playground for new traders. Rudder up! Forex.com, one of the oldest and most trusted brokers worldwide. It strikes the perfect balance between power and simplicity. Beginners can start with easy tools, while advanced traders can access deep analytics and detailed charting. Add to that its strong US and global regulation, and you've got one of the safest places to learn the ropes. And topping the list at number 1, AvaTrade, the best overall Forex broker for beginners in 2025. Here's why. It's user-friendly, packed with learning materials, and offers multiple platforms like AvaTrade Go and WebTrader. It's regulated in multiple jurisdictions, meaning your funds are always protected. AvaTrade turns complex trading into a beginner's best start. Want to see full comparisons, detailed broker reviews, or claim exclusive bonuses? Head to FXLeaders.com, your trusted guide to smarter Forex trading. From beginner tips to live trading signals, we've got everything you need to trade with confidence. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Trade smart, stay informed, only with FX Leaders.